How to send big videos on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can send big videos on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. So for that, you can use the Telegram's file upload, which is best for the large video. Now make sure that you have the latest version of Telegram installed in your device. After that, open up Telegram in your device. Now make sure that you're logged in with your Telegram account. Once you're logged in, head towards the chat where you want to send the video. After that, tap on the paperclip icon or the attachment icon on the text field. There, do not select gallery or video. Instead, you have to select an option as a file. Now once you select file, it will ask you to browse and select your large video file. This will bypass any decompressions and keeps your original video. Then Telegram will allow up to 4 GB per file for free users. But if you are the Telegram premium users, you could send up to more than 4 GB file. Once you are done selecting your file, that is your large video, simply tap on send it. Then the file will be uploaded and it will be stored in your Telegram cloud. That's it. That's how you can send big videos in Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.